My name is James Hucks, Vice President, Global Information Systems with Humanetics here in Dallas, Texas. We use the job tracking systems, the inventory modules. We also use the estimating and bill of material modules, the accounting modules, graphical scheduling modules. We pretty much use all the modules in Global Shop. The payback for Humanetics has been our growth and the ease that Global Shop's helped us grow from one plant with about 40,000 square feet to actually 4 plants globally now. We have one in Austin, Texas, one in McAllen, Texas, and one in Wuxi, China. Yeah, we're all connected with Global Shop. We'll have customers that will want us to quote a part out of multiple locations, especially one in the US and one out of China. And we can easily export the data out of the US location, import it back into the China location to get a new quote for this customer. So we can do the prototype and pre-production here in the US and then easily export that data and import that data back into Global Shop in China to do the mass production in China. And then with the Global Shop link, you have the documents you need for that part all in one location. With the open architecture of the system, you can easily export and import back into one system to the other. Our customers are not wanting to find multiple vendors in multiple parts of the world. If our customers can find one supplier that can take care of their needs no matter where they are at in the world, then that makes our customers' job a lot easier. Because now our ERP systems are the same, our quality systems are the same, we do things the same way. If you go from one plant to the next, it's all done the same way. Employees can go from one plant to the next plant and not change a thing they're doing because it's all done the same way. With automatic purchasing, you can batch everything for a particular material code. You can batch it and buy it all at one time. And then also we can also see what the price of our metal is in any 4 locations. We can tell what vendors we've bought from in each location, their on-time delivery from each location, so we can tell which of our vendors are the best out of all 4 of our locations. The employees have no problem picking up Global Shop for the first day that they step foot in the building. We do a little bit of online training for mostly the office employees, but for the plant employees, it's just on the job. We use the third party for time and attendance with the biometrics, and then we export that data and import that right back into Global Shop. That's one of the biggest things we keep track of with Global Shop is our direct and indirect cost. Using time and attendance, you can tell when a person clocked in, you can tell when they clocked out, you can tell what jobs they worked on throughout the day. You can also tell their dead time or their unlogged time. You can find that out with Global Shop very easily. We buy to stock and we also buy to the job with Global Shop. It's real time, so you can always tell what your inventory levels are at any time of the day. So if you're making purchasing decisions or if you want to kick out a work order, any of those kind of decisions, you can tell at a moment's notice what kind of inventory you have.